Hello everyone, my name is Vansh Sharma and I am a BS degree diploma student from IIT Madras. Today I will be explaining my MAD 1 project and I have allotted to create a placement portal web application. In my placement portal web application, I have used the approach of creating three types of users. The first is admin, second is student and the last is company. So let us go through the admin user. First we will log in as an admin. After logging as an admin, we can see that the admin has all the access of the data of the company and the students. The admin is the main connector between the student and the companies, as the admin have all the access data of the company and the student. First, we can see through there is a three sections which are dashboard, manage students, and application. In the first dashboard, we can see all total number of students which are registered on the website and all the companies which are approved on the website. So scroll down, we can see all the details of the companies here, the company 1, company 2, and the company 3, and all the placement drives which are going through at present. The second is manage student. On the section of manage student, we can see through all the students details which are active and blacklisted. The admin have major role of giving the access of the page. The admin can make the student a blacklisted or active person. The third is all applications. In all application, the admin can see the shortlisted students, selected students, and total number of applications by the students on the hiring drives. So these are the roles of the admin. The admin can handle all the data on the placement portal. After login, we can see through the second type of user, which are students. On clicking the student, we can see through that the user student registration. If a user want to register as a student, he have to write the data like name, email, branch, CGPA, and phone number. The student registration is done when the user wanted to apply for any type of drive. If a student 4, if a student 4 register as a student, just a second. After registration as a student, the student can log in through the dashboard. So here is the dashboard for the students. In the dashboard of the student, we can see that the student can see all the details of the branch, phone number, CGPA, and resume. On clicking on edit profile, the student can edit their name, branch, CGPA, and also can upload their resume. In the student page, we can see through there are three sections which are my dashboard. In my dashboard, the student can see all their details, and the second is application history. In the application history, the student can see all the previous drives which he applied for. And the third is edit profile, in which the student can change their name, branch, and upload their resume. So if any type of drive is active right now, if the student is eligible, it can apply from there here. So after log out from the student user. So the third will be the company. So the company user is the main crucial part of the placement portal web application, as the company which are wanted to hire or someone will be registered as a company. Let me first. So if the company will register as a company, will have to write their email, name of the company, HR name, website if applicable, and write a company description like the company is product based company. After registration, as the company 4 is already registered, the company will not be able to directly log in on the placement portal web application, as first the admin have the ability to approve the company. Let me first log in as an admin. Here we can see the company 4 is applied for the placement portal web application for the company registration. The admin can verify all the details of the company. After verifying that the company is genuine, the admin can approve the company. And as we can see, all the companies, the company 4 is registered. After approval of the company, the company 4 can able to access the placement portal dashboard. In the placement portal dashboard of the company, we can see there are three sections: dashboard, post a new drive, or edit profile. in the dashboard we can see the total number of drives which are created by the company, and the approved and the application and selected students. In the second, there is a post a new drive. So let me first create a job title, data engineer. The criteria for the job application will be CGPA above 7.5, and here we can write the package as 7.5. And here's the crucial part of the posting a drive, which will be applying by the creating a deadline so that the student can apply before the end of the deadline. After submitting the drive will not directly going to be go through the students. As first, the drive will be sent it to the admin for the approval or rejection. After applied by the company for the any drive, let me log in as an admin. So here we can see all the placement drives. They are data engineer and data science. Right now we have created a data engineer drive. After verifying all the details of the placement drive, the admin can approve or reject. After approving, the drive is now live. So let me log in as a student. So after logging as a student, the student can see their details, and in the section of available placement drive, the student can see through the data engineer. The student cannot see the data science drive because the admin can don't approve that drive. The student can only apply through the drives which are approved by the admin only. On clicking the apply, the student has applied for the drive, and in the section of application history, the student can see through all the details that the student have applied in the previous companies. Like the company in the student is applied on the company 4 as a data engineer in the package of 7.5, and the drive is still open. After applying in the drive, let me log out. So now let me log in as a company 4. The company 4 has applied the drive. So after logging as a company 4, we can see through the hiring drive is still active, and we can see in the action button all the students which have applied for the company. In the students detail, the company can see through all the details of the students as their branch, CGPA, email, and uploaded resume and applied date. In the section after verifying all the details and see through all the resumes, the company can shortlisted the student in the different sections, like if the student is shortlisted, selected, or rejected. If the student makes all the eligibility criteria and passes all the eligibility criteria, the company can select the student by updating the student as a selected. After updating the student as a selected, let me log out as a company and log in as a student. On login as a student too, we can see through the status of the applied application. On viewing the application history section, the student can see that the company 4 has selected the student as a data engineer in the package of 7.5 in that, and the drive is still open till the tomorrow. The student is shortlisted, not rejected, so the student is count as a 1. Let me log out as a student and log in as an admin. After login as a admin, we can see through the manage and all application. In all application, we can see that the student 2 is selected in the company 4 in the package of 7.5 as a data engineer. So this is my placement portal web application for my Mad 1 project. Thank you for viewing my project. Thank you.